Okay, well, hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you can hear me okay, because it is actually quite stormy in the UK right now. There's a storm called Storm Amy, affecting the northwest of the country. So apologies for the wind noise in the background, but I was keen to get some videos out, and we'll just keep on going. I'm sure you'll be able to hear enough for today. So today's video is about sort of starting the car. I haven't started it in quite a while actually. This is the Westfield Mega Blade, one of my cars, and I haven't started it or ran it in about 4 weeks. So I've sort of been on holiday, been doing bits and pieces, and yeah, I should have started it sort of a bit before that. Leaving it that long is probably not great. It's got a tiny lithium ion battery that I fitted to the car in an effort to save weight, and it really did. It saved 9.2 kilos off the car, and I've had no issues whatsoever with running the car. But this is the longest spell of time I've had it where I haven't started the car or had it on like a slow sort of lithium ion battery specific charger. So it'll be quite interesting to see if it starts. If it does, great. If it's a bit slow in cranking, I have heard that you can do little tricks with lithium batteries where you sort of put the lights on before starting it to get a bit of current going and get a bit of heat in the battery. Whether that's true or not in reality, I don't know. We'll give it a try. And yeah, the next clip will be me either starting the car successfully or swearing because it hasn't started. All my own fault, obviously. So yeah, I'll position you near the car. I'll open some doors up a little bit. Hopefully it's not too windy. Apologies if it is a little bit, but I can't change the weather, unfortunately. But yeah, you get a bit of an idea what it sounds like. There's a full cold start. This car doesn't have a choke. It is a CBR 900 carburetor fed engine, but the choke has been removed by a previous owner. It has been dyno jetted. So that might not mean so much to everybody in the world. Maybe in the UK, folk would know what that means. Basically means it's had uprated jets put in it, like the nozzle at different heights to make the carburetors more sort of, responsive. It feels a little stronger. So there's actually no need really for a choke. A little bit of sort of throttle is enough to get it started in normal conditions. But yeah, let's see if it starts. I don't know if it will do. Yeah, wish me luck. Well, Lord, it's crazy windy out there. Right, let's give this a try. You get to laugh at me trying to get into the car as well, which is quite nice. So move your harnesses out of the way, makes it a lot easier. Fingers crossed. Fuel pump sound, it's good. She's gonna go. stuff. It's a good battery, really good battery. Oh. Right, I have to get some fresh air. I'm gonna die.